So you're probably wondering why we're here. We're doing a drop test with some of our fall protection today. Our anchor points that we use are designed to go on the ridge of a roof. We have some direction from the manufacturer. They haven't tested the method that we're using it in. So we're going to do a drop test to have documentation to prove that our method will save somebody. That putting them vertically is the proper way to mount them to establish an anchor point. So we're gonna see what happens. Awesome, it worked. Here's what this means for us. Now that we have this documentation, anybody that's asking for information or proof that we did a drop test, now we have the proof for it. So this is huge for our company to have this documentation.